Is your Wix website's fixed box feature causing more headaches than happiness? Let's squash those scrolling bugs in this quick tutorial. First, click on the problematic box on your Wix editor. Then, on the right panel, look for the pin to screen option. Make sure this is toggled on if you want the box to stay fixed. Now, scroll down a bit. In that same settings panel, you'll see scroll effects. Click the drop-down and select none. These effects can sometimes interfere with the fixed position. Next, open the layers panel at the bottom of your screen. Make sure your fixed box is positioned above other elements that might be overlapping or interfering with it. You can drag and drop layers to adjust their order. Switch to mobile view. Fixed boxes can behave differently on smaller screens. Reposition and resize the box specifically for mobile using the drag and drop feature, ensuring it doesn't block important content. Preview and then publish your site to see the changes. Your fixed box should now stay put and behave as expected while scrolling, creating a smoother user experience.